So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this RyanCV Resume WordPress theme in just $4 with lifetime update. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can purchase this theme and how you can install it in your website. So first you have to click on this buy now. Now here you see in this checkout page you have to fill your basic details. Done. So now you have to go for the payment. Now you see this, after the payment will be done you will get two files. The first one you see, this is the main theme file, and the second one you see it's the child theme file. So what you have to download is you have to download the main theme file, and this one is the child theme file. You can use it also if you want. You want to make some changes in your website, and without, if you are not sure to you are updating something and you are not sure about it, that this change is needed or not, then in this thing you can use this child theme also, so that you can easily revert your website. So now you see this, it's successfully downloaded. Install now. Now you see this, the theme is successfully installed, but you see this, the plugin is not there. So what you have to do is, you see you got this notification, please install and activate RyanCV plugin and this advanced custom fields pro. So you have to download this also. I will download this first. It's successfully done. Now now you see this, these are activated. So you see this, now you see this one is the panel. You see this, these are additional plugins, you can install them also. I'll show you. See this, everything is working perfectly. I will show you some also. From here you can create, you can do all the customization part from your side. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.